Hudson. Spender y croeso i'r gwrt, Aaron Edwards yn penio'n erbyn y trawst. Aaron Edwards eisoes wedi sgorio ddwywaith yn y gystadleuaeth yma. Mor agos at roed pencampwyr uwch gyngrau'r Cymru ar y blaen efo yn y 3 munud gynta.
Sbia. Wel, mae o'n pedwar llath allan.
Spender. Mae Brobl. Brobl yn gwneud y rhagor o'n gyfle fan hyn i'r Seintiau. Brobl a draws y cwrs. Mae'n hyn! Ac ebyn sy'n hwnna! I roed y Seintiau newydd ar y blaen. Ac ai dyna'r gôl sy'n mynd â tîm Scott Rysgo i rownd derfynol cwpan yr Iron Brew.
Gwych gan Brobl. A sbia pwy sy'n na'n ddisgwyl i. Dilyn i mewn. Rhaid gweld fod o'n mynd i fethu. Ddim yn mynd i sgorio. Ebe. Mae o'n dal yn symud, pan mae croesiad yn dod, dim yn dod iddo fo, ond mae o'n dal yn symud yn barod, a mae'r dasg yn un hawdd.
Hediad penderfynol gan Hudson, mae'n gyfle fan hyn, yr ergyd ar eich i gol! Eich i gol gan Danny Handling! Dim gobaith o gwbl i Paul Harrison yn y gol. Mi oedd hi'n dod! A mae hi wedi dod.
Wel, am gol. Hediad da. Mae o'n gadael y bel, mynd ar draws i gorff. Gadael y bel, wneud y gwaith. Rwan ta, be dwi wedi wneud? Dwi wedi agos siarp y gorff. Mae'n deitha Paul Harrison. Dos ar ei holi, ond tîm yn cael hwnna. Am gol i Dumbarton.
Frosilias yn ergyd o!
Mamma mia!
Di gwneud ti eto! Dimitrios Frosilias!
Ti'n gwybod be? Dwi wedi gweld dim byd fel un nes Ronaldo i Manchester United. Mae o'n tharo hi yn canol y bel. Mae'n gwybod yn union beth mae'n neud. Mae'n symud i bob man yn yr awyr. Mae hwnna o'r safon ycha. Am gol i'r dyn yma.
Maria talla chwipio'r bel i fyny'r cwrs. Mi allon neud edrych am Mia Rawlinson i fyny yna hefyd. Mon Routledge sydd yn ôl bellach. Da ni fewn i'r funud ola. Yr ergyd gan Tom Holland! O, na chi arbediad! O, mi oedd y bel yn symud i bob man. Ac o'n i'n meddwl yn siŵr bod Gallagher wedi cam ddarllen hwnna gan Tom Holland. Cawber. Derbyn y bas. Na, gyda yma Mariot fan ddrwg yna i Mariot at yr ochr bellach. Yn edrych am Rawlinson. Mae'n disgyn i Brobl! O'r arbediad yn wych unwaith eto gan y golwr.
Wel, mae'n amddiffyn efo'i bywyda fa dydi. Mae'n taflu hynna yn y faen y bel. Am arbediad eto gan Gallagher yn y gol.
Na di, doedd o ddim yn cam sefyll a mi fydd yr hen ben profiadol yn mynd ar bel i'r gornel bella'r chwiban ola yn cael ei chwythu. Steve Itgenagi yn Durant sydd yn dathlu.
Llongyfarchiadau i Dumbarton, mi fyddan nhw'n herio Inverness yn y rownd derfynol ar y 24 o Fawrth.
Just delighted for the players, the supporters, everyone credit to the club. It's a tough gig we've got in the Championship. We've been part-time team even coming here against a very good side, you know, but we scored 2 fantastic goals and 2 goals that's worth winning the games.
What about the second half, the substitutions, those goals as well, both of them, wow.
I think a manager takes credit for that. But no, listen, we've got a lot of good talented squad. Danny Handling's back for injury. Demetrius he's done that since he came here. Yeah, you know, and what a goal it was, you know, and delighted for him, you know, and delighted for all the supporters over there.
Scott, how do you sum up your emotions now?
A little bit disappointed. You know, you just said you sort of get the stuff knocked out of you. You think you're controlling it, and possession-wise, I thought we did for the majority of the game. But you know, when you get sucker punched, a couple of goals that they scored there were very, very good from the highest standard. And you know, there's not long enough then to bounce back. But we did have chances, and the keepers then pulled off 2 or 3 great saves. And it's the urgency then that we can, you know, can we get that equaliser? And it wasn't to be tonight.
Well, Craig, first off, huge congratulations. Not a bad day at the office for the Suns.
Definitely, I think it was a big win for us, and for us to get into the final was a massive achievement, and the boys are definitely celebrating in the dressing room.
There's been lots of talk, as there always is, about the quadruple. How disappointing is it for you now not to be going on with that this season?
Yeah, of course it's disappointing. You want to win everything, don't you? You know, I'm greedy. We're winners here at TNS. We've won a lot of trophies. So, you know, if you set the bar low, you're never going to win anything. So, yeah, we'll go again now. We'll go again next week. We've got Connors Keep, big game at the weekend, and obviously I always say the league's our bread and butter. That's our main aim now. That's gone to bed now. The Iron Brew's finished for this season, but we'll go again for the league.
And who do you fancy in the final?
No preference, you know, we're just happy to be there, and you know, we're going to enjoy it just now and get back to work Tuesday night.
Well, Craig, you are the Iron Brew man of the match. Many congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau mawr.
Thank you very much. Thank you.